Okay, we're recording. State planet origin?
Earth.
Okay, yesterday you told us you traveled, and I quote, thousands of light years to get here.
Yes.
Tell us the truth, or the word, or another way here.
It is truth. I am from Earth, from your future. To travel in time is to travel in space, off with spatial diversions.
So I take it aliens took over our future, right?
No,
So you're human.
an evolutionary descendant.
Okay, so you evolved from us.
Yes.
So what are you doing here, now?
Observing. Since evidence was destroyed.
How?
Nuclear war. Small numbers survived. Our ancestors.
Okay, so how about we concentrate on your time?
You were not capable of comprehending or accepting the discoveries of my time.
Try me.
The origin of the universe. The nature of so-called life. It is known.
Wait, so you know the meaning of life?
Not me. Nature.
What's the difference?
Meaning is something that is ascribed. Nature is the objective reality.
So you know how the universe is created?
Yes.
So you think God?
We evolved past a need for superstition. The need for awe and other myths.
Okay, illuminate us. What happens when we die?
Death is a human construct. It does not exist. You will experience and have experienced every instant of so-called life. You, me, him. We are instances of the same life, separated by what you call death.
Okay, so let me get this straight. There's no death, and we all experience each other's lives, right?
In essence, yes.
Okay, so how was the universe created, and why is it so perfectly made for us?
There are an infinite number of universes, each with different physical properties. Virtually all do not support life such as you know it. We exist in a universe that does support so-called life, such as us.
Moving on. Okay, so why do we destroy ourselves with nuclear war?
Dogma.
Can you be more specific, please?
Political, religious dogma. It is the root of all major conflict of your species. In your next century, access to weaponry of mass destruction, husbands that are ruled by dogma, will destroy your species.
Okay, one last thing. What about morality? What do you base your morality on?